The main hero in the story today is our fader. This baby makes my hair feel really conditioned. Movie magic. Whole bottle of fader. Tube. Really, it's a tube. Now we're gonna add a drop of each color to this. Hi, it's Haley. Today I'm going to show you basically a mask with color in it. I'm kind of going for like a lavender color. Because our people eater is more of a cool tone purple, I'm going to cancel that out with just a little bit of rock lobster. These two guys. The main hero in the story today is our fader. Whole bottle of fader. This is what we've got. It's really pretty. Now we're gonna paint this on in here. Alright, so I'm gonna let it sit for a little while. Wash it out. I'll show you guys the results. Yeah, I would say that was a nice little concoction. We did a good job today. We did pretty good.
She did all right. Okay, not so much. All right. But I'll let you decide.
That's all I can ask for. Are you ready?
Ready.
Can they see me?
Yeah.
It's like interesting that it doesn't say fader on it. Conservative. Like biscuits. Anyone ever started hair? That's so boring. Yeah, have you ever had lavender shortbread?
No.
I can't wait for Brian to see this. He's gonna be.
You can do it.
Why? Oh my god, lavender shortbread. I'm kind of thinking now I want to make like a lavender pudding, and then like put instead of vanilla wafers, you put like lavender shortbread in it.
Oh.
I wonder if that's possible. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Is it filming?
It's going.
Did pretty good.
She did all right.
Hey guys, it's Haley, and we are so excited here at Good Day Young to be launching nationwide in all the Sally stores. So please go check us out, and we can't wait to see your amazing looks.